So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt-sleeve order, very much the dress code. And the finish! Isla gets good distance on it. Incoming cross, massive leap! Oh, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Keeper's ball. Jordi Alba. Beckham. De Bruyne spreads it towards the left. Jordi Alba. That had to be more accurate. Just joined us, well, we've missed no goals. De Bruyne with a long pass. Looks to play him in. It's a minor communications breakdown. Shoots! De Bruyne. Beckham. And it's Van Basten. And it's got through. Jordi Alba. Kyle Walker. Messi. And here's Mane. Van Basten goes for goal! Goal! Barcelona! First blood drawn.
And as soon as they made that error in midfield, they didn't have time to react before the ball hit the net. Very much a lesson learned.
Barcelona break the deadlock.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Plays it over to the other flank. Walker. And help's available out wide. And out it comes again. Flamengo have a free kick. Van Basten goes up and over, goes for goal! It's a goal! And already they're looking to run away with it.
Barcelona are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, it's been an absolutely fab.
And the first half is done. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Barcelona are 2 up and everything is shaping nicely. The only criticism, it could have been 3.
Barcelona ahead 2-0 and they are looking good. And we're already back underway here. Questions were asked and he's given the answers. Gerson tries to switch the play. And he's on a charge. Goes for it! Cleared away.
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
Barcelona with this 2-goal lead. They're certainly looking much the more assured side. Messi plays it long. And he's surging through, and Mane! A potential goal of the season contender, if only.
Mane just backs himself every time. Give him a challenge and he'll rise to it.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Peter, his body shape was a giveaway before he made the pass, and its obviousness was appreciated.
And the lead is 3. It is surely done.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. He's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Barcelona take, and they are romping outside. Gerson. He's got the ball. It's a pop. They bet. They're back within reach. Perfect placement. The one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
So, just a consolation, or is there a way back from here? Going to throw in. Beckham shapes to shoot! Really well taken goal.
Perhaps deserves a little bit of sympathy here, because that's a goalkeeper's nightmare. It's clear that the keeper was unsighted by his defence, and by the time he picked up the flight of that, it was too late.
Barcelona blast themselves into a 3-goal lead. Isla. And here's Gabriel. He's looked long this time. Gabriel. The referee has given a corner. Throw it. Xavi. Messi. Hoists it high. He's made sure that that won't get through. Jordi Alba. And it's Mane. Oh, it's Van Basten. It's a loose ball, and De Bruyne! Disappointing finish in the end. Isla. Is up. Barcelona have won big and in style. Everything went for them. Their poor opponents left chasing shadows. Hey!